Okay, so it's just gone 5 o'clock. I'm here just editing some patterns for the BMW M5 that we've got in. Windows, what are you doing to me, man? I was literally in the middle of editing. Oh, that is annoying. That I need to get some more film ordered because I don't know. I forgot. Yeah, I didn't realise how big the bonnet on the M5 is. So I'll have to get that ordered first thing in the morning, so it'll get here Friday morning. Now I need to... I had everything loaded. That is so annoying. I literally had everything on that screen ready to go, and I didn't save it. First thing I need to do is turn off automatic updates, because clearly it's just bopped me over. Excuse my French. A little bit of an insight into how we prepare the PPF. So here you can see I've got the roof and part of the tailgate or trunk lid or whatever you want to call it. We now have the film loaded onto the plotter. I'm going to make sure we have enough, so I need 57 inches wide by 64 inches, so we have 59 inches wide. So now I need to feed out 67 inches. I fucking hate cap sheets. Check. Oh, 64 inches. So now what we'll do is trim cap sheet off. Because that just causes issues. We've also been exactly the left step. So we often get asked, do you polish before you apply PPF? And the simple answer to that is no. Main reason being, part of the PPF or our PPF installation process is no matter how much the car has had a decontamination prior to the film being fitted, we will always give it another going over with clay bar. This is purely to make sure that I'm confident we've got rid of all of the defects. Not defects, all the contamination that may be on the panel. It's also a very tall car, but you'll notice as well that this is quite a soapy solution. In other clips you may not see as much soap. Again, this is because of such a big panel. You want to make sure that it's able to glide, and any contamination that might get under the film during the transfer over to panel can be sort of washed away. I'm going to leave the roof wet for now, so that if there is any dust in the air, it will fall and land onto that. So that is how you install PPF on the roof of a BMW M5. And now I'm going home.